Finished working on a matter? Closing and archiving it correctly helps keep your matter list organized and your records easy to manage. Knowing when to close and archive a matter helps maintain an organized database, ensures completed matters are stored correctly, and makes it easier to find them when needed. Before you begin, it's important to know the difference between closing and archiving a matter. Close a matter when no more work, time entries, or billing will be added. Archive the matter once it's been fully billed and paid, allowing you to assign an archive location and reference. Before you can close a matter, make sure there are no pending transactions, unsubmitted time entries, or outstanding invoices. If there are, Wise Owl will display an error message and the matter can't be closed until those items have been resolved. To close a matter, open the Matters register and search for the matter. There are two ways to close a matter in Wise Owl. Open the matter, scroll to the bottom of the Matter Details page, and click Close Matter. A window will appear where you can select the file location before confirming the closure. Second option is, from the Matters register, search for the matter, click Actions, then select Close. Whichever method you choose, simply follow the prompts to complete the process. To archive a matter, first locate it using Advanced Search. Under Status, select Closed, then search for the matter or select from the list of closed matters. Once you've found the matter, click Actions, then select Archive. Enter the archive details, including the file location, reference number, and destroy date if required, then follow the prompts to complete the archive. If you have several matters to archive, use Advanced Search to display them. Select the matters you'd like to archive, click Bulk Actions, choose Archive, and follow the prompts. You can still view archived matters at any time. From the Matters register, open Advanced Search, select Archived under Status, then click Search. Archived matters remain available for reference, but no new transactions or edits can be made. Make sure the matter has been fully billed and paid before archiving. Stay tuned for more Wise Owl quick tips, and keep exploring Wise Owl Legal to discover more features.